Hey, so welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna analyze myfront.page, which I feel like it's an amazing domain name for a company called or a product called myfront.page, which is about your front page. Now let's take a look at what have we got going here. So my front page. There's a nice navigation up here, demos, plans or pricing, help, try it out, login or sign up. I have not used this before, so this is a genuine reaction. I did, however, see this being tweeted out on Twitter quite a bit, so I assume it's been noticed by quite a few people already. So maybe I'm late to the show, but hey, you know what? Everything goes, or anything goes rather. So, your personal front page of the internet. Create your own personal new tab page for your browser without any code for free. Okay. Your personal front page of the internet. So, what I'd like to see here, and maybe if I scroll, I'll see it, but and some kind of illustration that shows what my personal front page of the internet would look like. Can I have my Instagram feed? Can I have my emails? Can I have my, I don't know, some news articles that I like, some Medium, for collections? I wonder. So what are the options? Right, and hopefully as I scroll down through here, I will figure it out. So this is a very cool little button here, animation. Very straightforward. It tells me if I click this button, I don't even have to sign up. I can create my front page. Want to create an account? Sign up. Already have an account? Log in. So the only thing I'm not really too sure about is why are you repeating yourself. You have this, and then you also have this button here. So you have login or sign up, login, and then you say no sign up required. It's a little bit too much going. I would keep it a bit clean. If I were to just quickly edit this, I would just do this. So I remove that. Okay, accept the cookies. And then say create your front page, no sign up required. This, I would deprioritize this a little bit, but honestly it's not a big deal. You could just change. Maybe you want to change it to something a bit lighter. I don't know, you can play around with the colors. There you go. Oops, there you go. Well, never mind. So anyways, and then you hit me with 3 subtle animations, which is pretty nice. Create your front page, pick a design, configure your browser, create your front page, create a custom, and customizing your personal front page is in fast. Okay, pick a design you like from our collection or create your own, configure your browser. So I think what you want to show here, in my opinion, right, it's what is the problem instead of how it works. Why don't you tell me why you should customize your front page? So create your front page, and you could say add as much or as little information as you want, have embed your favorite stuff, have everything at a glance. Those are kind of the value propositions that the reason why people would create a front page of the internet on each new tab is so that they're always hand on the pulse. Their heartbeat is pulsating, right? So rather than telling me, how it works, right? Tell me why I should use it. Explain why your product is something that will make my life better. Empathize with me. Now, okay, so then I scroll this. So now that you told me how it works, and you have a call to action here that's very subtle. Probably not a lot of people would notice this. Customize everything, your front page, your rules. Add elements, change the order, modify the colors, add custom CSS, create your own theme. So my front page, my rules, but like what am I getting? What am I getting in my front page? What am I getting? Question mark. You know, it's definitely customizable, but like what? Customize what exactly? And why? Right? Customize everything, what? Okay, that's my question. Testimonials. I love testimonials. Well, like I said, I've seen this on Twitter, so clear this works. And so Ryan tweeted about it. Maya Farber Brodsky, other people I don't really know. And then my front page was developed in close contact with some avid beta testers. Look at what they say. Look what they say. Okay, this is cool. Just signed up. Been beta testing this. Super cool. I'm tired of default. So I really like this testimonial much better than this testimonial, and the reason is that Maya is actually saying, I'm tired of the default Firefox Google New Tab page, and this is a breath of fresh air. Plus, it has the potential to be super powerful with more customization options, right? So, if you use this testimonial to rewrite the top of your homepage, you know, you would have explained in this area here that it basically replaces your default Firefox Google tab and it adds XYZ, right? And I still don't know what I can do. So I'm still not sure. No code, okay. I like that you've used the text and the testimonials to create your H2 here. I noticed, you know, that's kind of neat. Very good job. So I still don't know what I can embed on my homepage. I know I can customize everything. I just don't know what. And I can use it. You know, I know that I can use HTML. I know I can use CSS. Start creating. Found out more. Go premium. Okay, cool. You have 2 plants. This is highlighted. The design is very good. I mean, everything so far design-wise, it's pretty consistent and pretty good. Like I don't have any, you know, the contrast, the spacing. Probably would replace this image too, because it's very like, you know, it's very like not really representative of what your product does. Right now, you're just showing me what kind of like my default tab looks like. Instead, what you might want to do is a before and after, a comparison, right? Like before, it's like this, you know, before, and then you want to have an after. And you want to separate this and show me before, it's boring, it's static, everybody has the same. After, my KPIs are on it, customizable, private, and anything else that, and cool, I guess, right? Now, you're missing here. A lot of people do what's called like a lead magnet, and it's basically like, I will give you something and you just give me your email here, so you can start building that community, that email list. And a lot of people forget about this, but what is the one thing that you can give for free, almost like a gift, in exchange for the email address? And if you can do that, and you can add like something that stands out as a, you know, kind of like a banner, and you say, hey, hold on a second, you want to figure out how much more productive you can be with this tool? Put your email here, and I will send you a case study, right? You can have, I'm sure you have data about how much more efficient you can be with this tool. And another thing you need to realize is there's been a lot of products nowadays that they're those like, you know, wonder bars. You know, you press like 2 keys on your keyboard on your computer and something pops out and it's like, you know, open your last email, open your, I don't know how to, like, okay, let's, Station app does it, no? Alright, let me show you. See this kind of thing? You have like this, you know, search anything, it integrates with all these tools. and allows you to search for everything that you work on quickly without having to like navigate through. It's basically like omnisearch, right? So in the same way, your tool is kind of like omnisearch of your browser, right? It's like your new tab. You get all of your data. So this is definitely a super relevant tool to the time that we live in. Now, I'm gonna look at more of these pages because it's kind of interesting. So my front page example, okay. So this is just a search bar. Also notice how once you're here, I need to go back, with my physical button on my mouse. Maybe there's you want to add like a little text, or something. Go back, right? But that's like nothing major. So this one is like another front page that has 3 links and a loading bar. I don't know what the loading bar is. So maybe a little bit of understanding, an explanation, maybe like a popover that explains what these things are. Andrew, a dark front page showing the time and a programmer joke. Oh, the progress of the day. I should have read this. See, people are fast. They don't. Okay. Your mom is so fat. You need to switch to NTC. Okay. All right, dude. Mom jokes are so old, but fair enough. That was a good one. All right. And then what else? What's the last one? Your page could be here. Go ahead and create one. And this scrolls down, right? This scrolls down. Help takes me to a help page, I assume. Cool. And then the demo. Wow, okay. The page will stay online for 2 days. Make it free forever. Page name. You get a URL. It's public, so anybody can use it. Oh, okay. That's really cool. I can put background colors, vertical. Okay, okay. And then I can add elements, right? Okay. What elements can I add? Okay, greeting, comics, programmer joke, time and date, custom text, web search. So you see like this part here, I feel it's like the most important part of your app. It's the fact that you have so many blocks to choose from, but you're not showing any of these on the landing page. Like, I don't know until I actually click through the editor what the various blocks are. You could totally repurpose this section, have it before and after, and then something below here that shows like the most common blocks that people can use. Anyhow, I think I've spoken about quite a few things. So to recap, what you want to do is kind of like showcase why this tool is for me, whether you have, some data, whether you have more screenshots that you can show. The copy it's good. It's definitely good, and I understand what the tool does, but I don't understand why I should use it, if that makes sense, right? So it's a cool tool, but I want to be convinced that this is better than anything else that's out there, and specifically than the default Chrome page. Why is this better? And how can I customize it to make it mine, right? That's what you want to show me. You want to make sure that I can see myself using this tool as myself, as me, with a customized new tab page. So if you can show me that, then the benefit will be obvious, because I'll be like, oh, I can customize this, and I can use this this blocks, the blocks that you show inside the editor. Then I can definitely go ahead and play around with it and hopefully convert and become like a lifetime subscriber. It's cool that you have all this in the footer. This is very, very good. And then obviously I mentioned the lead magnet, so don't forget about that. I think this is a long video, longish. I've spoken a lot. Just wanted to make sure it was clear. Let me know if this helped you, if you're gonna do some changes, and you just hit me back, and hopefully you will sub to my channel. Thank you.